In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check OneDrive storage space effectively. Whether you're managing a personal account or dealing with a work setup, knowing how much storage you have left can help you plan and manage your files better, avoiding any unexpected interruptions. Let's start by navigating to the home page of your OneDrive account on your web browser. Once you're logged in and on the main page, take a look at the upper right-hand corner of your screen. You'll notice a small gear icon. This icon is crucial because it's your direct gateway to your settings and more advanced options. Go ahead and click on this gear icon. This action will open a drop-down menu, giving you access to various settings and features. It might seem simple, but this small step is vital as it lays the groundwork for managing your OneDrive space. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Clicking on Settings will take you to a new interface where you can configure and optimize your OneDrive experience. Here, you'll find different tabs and many options, but for today, we'll focus specifically on managing your storage plan. The settings panel might look a bit overwhelming at first, especially if you're doing this for the first time, but rest assured, every single option here is designed to give you more control over your storage. Now, direct your attention to the section named Manage Storage. This option is designed to help you understand your current plan and how effectively you're using your available space. Clicking on Manage Storage will open a new window or tab, depending on your browser's settings. Here, you'll be provided with a detailed overview of your storage usage. This includes visible statistics showcasing how much space you have used, how much is left, and a breakdown of what types of files are taking up the most space, be it documents, images, videos, or any other file types. A helpful tip while you're in this section is to analyze which file types or folders are using the most space. Doing this can be quite enlightening, especially if you're trying to do some digital decluttering. Once you've accessed this section, you can also explore options to upgrade your storage if needed. It's always a good idea to check regularly, especially if you are dealing with many large files, so you don't run into limits at inconvenient times. In summary, checking your OneDrive storage space is a quick and efficient process that keeps you in control of your digital environment, preventing unexpected hiccups and ensuring your files are always safely stored. Regular checks will alert you to the need for cleanups or upgrades, maintaining smooth and uninterrupted service. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful.